How to fix Omadmclient exe high CPU uses error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this high CPU uses error, the first workaround is update network update driver. Open device manager. Here go to network adapter, expand it and right click your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating procedure of your driver. The next workaround is right click on a start button, choose settings and install Windows latest update. Go to Windows update and here click on check for updates. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of this high CPU uses error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type Windows security and open Windows security and choose virus and threat protection and here choose a scan options and choose full scan. Scan your Windows 11-10 system to detect any virus infection in your system. And the next workaround is any corrupted file system may be a cause of this error. Type cmd in search box and open command prompt windows as administrator mode and in command prompt windows type sfc space / scan now. It will check any corrupted file system found in your system and repair them accordingly. Now your Omadmclient.exe error will not